question number 9. So here we have 8a cubed, b to the power of 6, all to the power of 2/3 times 16a to the 4 to the power of a quarter. Great. So where do we get started? We can apply the 2/3 to every element within the parentheses separately, and the quarter as well for the second set of parentheses, of course. So then we have 8 to the power of 2/3 times a cubed to the power of 2/3 times b to the 6 to the 2/3 times, of course, 16 to the quarter to the power of a quarter times a to the 4 to the power of a quarter. Okay, so I'm going to leave the numbers for very last, because these will be a little bit simpler and easier to see. Just a constant. So we have a cubed to the power of 2/3, so we can just actually multiply the powers. So 3 times 2/3, 3 times 2 is 6, 6 over 3 is just 2. So this will be just a squared. Now, b to the power of 6 to the power of 2/3, same thing, we can actually multiply the 6 by 2/3. 6 times 2/3, 6 times 2, 12, divided by 3 is 4. So we get b to the power of 4 times, I'll just leave a blank, some room for the 16 to the power of a quarter. Now, a to the power of 4 to the quarter, 4 times 1/4 is just 4 over 4, because 4 times 1 is 4. And the 4 down in the denominator just comes over. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So we just get a to the power of 1. Great. Now let's work on the numbers. 8. I can actually rewrite 8 as 2 cubed. Why is that? Well, because 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 2 times 2 is 2 cubed. And so we have 2 cubed to the power of 2/3. Then what can we do? Well, we can actually multiply the 3 by 2/3. And we already know from here that that's equal to 2. So we can just simplify the whole thing here as 2 squared. And we're multiplying that by a squared by b to the 4. Now over here, we have 16 to the power of 1/4. 16 can be rewritten as 2 to the power of 4. Sorry, 2 to the power of 4. And then we can just multiply the 4 by a quarter. We already know that's 1 from what we did over here. So we just get 2 to the power of 1. And the a to the power of 1 was just waiting here. Great. Now, we can just combine actually the 2's, sorry, the 2 squared and the 2. 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. We can also combine the a's. A squared times a to the power of 1, which is just a. Well, we have the same base, so we can add the exponents. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we get a cubed. And the b just follows. We have no other b to combine this b with. So we end up with 8a cubed, b to the power of 4. So the answer is C. That's it.